this love affair. You can make me go away. I don't really care if it's...
Hey love bugs, I wanted to share something with you, and the best way for me to do it is this evening as I prepare for tomorrow. Today is Monday, but I wanted to share one of my spring summertime favorite treats, which is iced coffee. I found a fantastic way of making it at home, and that is with these little pods. You see these little pods? I got this at my local H-E-B. I imagine they're in every grocery store. They're by Starbucks. Of course it says new, but I bought these probably back early February. That's when I found them. They come in the regular and they come in caramel. This is regular because I like to use different creamers and sweeteners. This is what each pack looks like. You get 6 in a box. At my H-E-B, they're like $6 a box, maybe. When I bought them, they were on sale. So I paid $4, I think. But if you go get an iced coffee at Starbucks, you're going to pay a lot more than $1 a piece. So even at the full price, to me, this is worth it. The only thing is, I thought this morning when I was at work, I thought, you know what? I need to pop these right here in the ice box, so that when I go to make it, it is cold, as well as my creamer and then my sweetener. So what I'm doing is I'm putting this in my ice box for now, and then I will come back ice box. That's how you know I'm from the South. I grew up with my nanny and pawpaw calling the refrigerator an ice box, and I think I always call it that. And I think I always get called out for calling it that. The refrigerator. I'm gonna stick this in my fridge. I'm gonna let it get good and cold, and I will show you how to put it all together in the morning. I can tell you right now, I will use one of these pots, which on the directions it says 8 ounces of water. I sometimes will use a full 16-ounce water bottle. A lot of it depends on what I'm filling it with. But I am loving this white chocolate sweetener from Skinny Syrup, Jordan Skinny Syrups. I will link it down below. I always buy them at Amazon. I have many different flavors. I have mint chocolate chip in my pantry. I think I have pumpkin spice back in my coffee bar. This one, peppermint mocha, I think is one of my favorites from the winter collection. But I do like this white chocolate because I can get it year round. And I just happen to have some International Delight white chocolate mocha creamer. I managed to score some International Delight peppermint bark, I think is what it's called. But I'm trying to finish this up first. I really try to finish one creamer at a time. So that is how I'm going to fix it. I will show you as I go, and then I will do a taste test for you and tell you how amazing it is.
Fair. I just wanna